G'day folks, Jim Langens here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Tuesday the 14th of August. The markets have been generally pretty quiet overnight really. The euro was mildly supported on the day by a short-term Italian bill auction that saw a reasonable demand. But apart from that really it was a pretty quiet news day, and the euro stayed reasonably big once Europe got in, but hasn't really gone anywhere too far. It's about 40-50 points higher than we saw this time yesterday in Asia. So the euro's at 123.30, cable's at 156.80, dollar Swiss is at 97.40, and dollar yen's doing absolutely nothing. That's at 78.30. The Aussie and the Kiwi, they both moved a little bit overnight. They're both a little bit softer. Following commodities a bit lower really more than anything. The Aussies are at 105.15 and the Kiwis currently at 80.90. Both of them look a little bit heavy, and we might see a test a bit lower towards 104.80 and 80.60 respectively. But it's a pretty quiet start to the day really. We do get to 11:30 this morning Eastern Time Australia, the NAB Business Confidence survey. That might provide a little bit of volatility, but I don't think we're going to see too much. But later on we get the heavyweight data coming out of Europe. We've got the GDP and the German ZEW Business Confidence survey. And then later on we get the retail sales out of the States. So until then I think it'd be pretty quiet. And even afterwards the markets are still very thin. I don't think we're going to go anywhere too far, and it could be another range-bound session all up, I think. That's really about it. If you want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's about it. Looks a pretty quiet day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.